Hi guys and welcome back to the Taste and Bloom kitchen. My name is Yasmi and today I'm making this very delicious and flavorful fried goat meat tomato stew. You don't want to miss this one. So I'll start by steaming or cooking my goat meat, which I've cleaned nicely and cut up into desirable sizes. I'm adding some onions, ginger, and garlic all blended. And then I'm going to go in with some seasoning cube and salt. Add enough water because goat meat is very tough. And then cover and allow it to cook until very soft. If this is your first time chancing on my video, you are welcome to the Taste and Bloom Kitchen, and you're also welcome to subscribe and join this amazing blooming family. Once my goat meat is okay or steamed to my preferred tenderness, I'm going to go ahead and fry it. So I'm going to fry the goat meat in the oil till it looks the way you're going to see on your screen very soon. It takes quite a while, but this is the desirable color I am going for. You might as well also deep fry this, but I'm going to use the same saucepan to make my stew because I don't like washing dishes, okay? So into the same oil, I'm going to start preparing my tomato stew. First, I'll add my chopped onions and fry it till it's translucent. Let me take this pause to also say a big thank you to my returning subscribers. You guys have been amazing. Thank you for always passing by to watch my videos, to give me a like on the videos, to leave your comments down below, and to share when you are done watching. I am so blessed to have you. So, in goes my tomato paste. So, I'm going to fry the tomato paste till the tanginess gets out of it, okay? If you're in doubt, just taste it after stir frying for about maybe 7 to 10 minutes, depending on the quantity of stew and tomato paste you added to the stew. Okay. So once the tanginess is out, by you confirming with the taste or even the smell and also the color of the tomato paste, you can go ahead and add in your blended onions, ginger, and garlic. When these ingredients also go in, you're going to make sure to stir them to incorporate them beautifully, cover, and then allow it to cook on low heat for about 15 minutes. Yes, we want the trinity of spices to also release their beautiful flavors into our tomato stew. If you've watched my video till this end, I am super grateful. Please consider giving me a thumbs up on the video and keep watching till the end. So as you can see, my stew is looking good already. I'm going to go ahead and add in my blended tomatoes and pepper. So like I always say, because we don't eat too much pepper at home, I always prefer to add it to my tomatoes to blend the both of them together, okay? So this is about 30 minutes on low heat. My stew has simmered down beautifully. The oil is settling on top nicely. I'm going in with the stock from cooking the goat meat, and then I'll add the fried goat meat. See, that's 1 pound of goat meat I added. So when I was making the stew, I realized that it was small, okay? So later on, I'm going to add more protein, which you're going to see very soon, okay? It kind of changed the trajectory of the recipe a bit, but it's still fried goat meat stew, okay? I went in with my curry powder, nutmeg, and a bit of salt because I realized that it was low on salt from the stock of the goat meat, okay? Then I'm adding in my eggs. So these eggs I boiled first and then deep fried. Okay, so it sort of turned it into some waakye stew be like that. And it was entirely very, very good. Try this recipe because you would love it. Give me a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, share when you are done watching, and also subscribe if you haven't already. And until I see you again in another video, please don't forget to keep blooming.